Blake.
Look what he did to the chair. Look what he did to the chair.
Oh, Blake won't be happy. That's Blake's chair. What do you think?
Man, I hope.
Shut! It's gonna bite you, Megan.
I hope she doesn't fall my bed.
Nice. Nice.
Mommy, if she gets on my bed, I think it will bleed. She made a funny noise.
She made a funny noise.
I wonder how she sleeps. It just looks like the same as the picture. She wants to play. Wherever Molly will go, she will go.
Molly's like, dude, stop throwing on me.
Can I play dog? I want to play dog. I want to play.
Megan.